It's been snowing on and off for the past 2 weeks. We'd have a couple days of snow, it'd melt a little bit. A couple days of snow, melt a little bit. We just got done with the last part of the snowstorm this morning, and it's already starting to melt. But we got more snow on the way later in the week. That's why we haven't had too many videos yet for January. It's just too cold. The garage just doesn't hold any heat. There's no insulation or anything like that. That's something we tend to, that we're gonna remedy this summer, hopefully. We already did some major electrical upgrades. We put 220 in here instead of an extension cord. Put a nice square D fuse box in there. Redid all the outlets that were in there. I did some security upgrades, motion sensors, cameras, that kind of thing. And this summer we're gonna replace the rest of the outlets that were in there that were plugged into an extension cord. We're gonna update all that. We're gonna insulate the place. We're gonna put up some plywood wall so we can hang tools anywhere. We're also gonna button up the outside on the neighbor's side because every time they water the lawn, they get water in our garage. So we'll take care of that.